everybody, I'm Jalissa Queen, and today I'm going to be unboxing my Smile Doctors aligners. So Smile Doctors have this amazing service that's called Smile Express, and it allows you to basically get a treatment for your teeth at home in under 6 months. So I already went to their office, which is a clinic nearby, where they do a whole assessment and scans and 3D mapping of my teeth to actually see what they look like. And we sat down with the orthodontist to basically talk about my treatment plan. I went with the clear aligners by Invisalign, and they're here today. So I'm going to be unboxing them and also starting my first set of aligners. So let's do it. Express yourself. And it says, hey Jalissa, let's get started. So it basically has information cards. This is really neat. I've never seen anything like this before. It just says what's inside, great question. We've included a series of help cards to get you started. All the aligners you'll need in a smile kit to help make revealing your straight smile quick and easy. Awesome. Your aligners are ready to work hard for you. Each set of aligners is in a numbered plastic bag arranged in the order in which they'll be worn. The aligners themselves are also numbered and marked with the U for upper and L for lower, so figuring out what goes where is a no-brainer. So here we go. So there's just more information about how to keep your teeth clean, save your aligners, do not throw them away, do not overheat. Okay. Will I talk funny? Will it hurt? What can I eat? What if there's a problem? Okay, very informative. I like that a lot. So let me put these away and I will go over them later. Here's what is in the rest of the box. So, wow, so this is how the aligners are packaged together. Okay. And here's the first set. I'm going to put everything back in neatly. So I'm going to tear it off. So in this pack, I have one upper and one lower. And each aligner is labeled upper and lower 1. And then the next set is upper and lower 2. And then the next set is upper and lower 3. So I know which set of aligners I am on. Other slot is a bag. So I'm guessing this is the Smile Express kit. And what I have in here. Oh, they have some Listerine. Yes. What is this? A toothbrush. I love that. What's this? Chapstick. Yes, it's a round lip moisturizer. Awesome. I've never been given that before from the dentist or orthodontist. And what is this? This is, oh, it's some kind of shaver. I'm guessing for the aligners, if they're sharp, if they have like sharp edges, I can shave them down so it doesn't hurt my gums. And then what's in this box? Ooh, it's a case for my aligners. Yay! So I have a case for my aligners. Ooh, and look, it has a mirror. Nice. I love it. And, okay, we have a little packet of the Chewies. So I'm going to open that up because I know I'm going to need that. So I'll take one out because I'm going to need one. And I'm going to go ahead and open up my first set of aligners. This is the first set, the upper and lower. Ooh, Invisalign aligners. So this is the upper. There's a U. And this is the L, so it's the lower. So we have the upper and lower aligners. Okay, so let's go ahead and put these in. So I'm gonna put the lower ones in. Oh, it fit in perfectly. And then these are the upper ones. It fit in perfectly. Do I sound funny? And then I got the little chewy so they can sit, my teeth can sit into the aligners a lot better. Okay. And ta-da! It doesn't even look like I'm wearing aligners. I am so happy and excited about this journey. Thank y'all so much for watching, and make sure you're following my journey on my Instagram page at JalissaQueen1 for more updates. Bye bye.